Well, here it is in all its glory. This is my new Jayco J-Flight SLX Baja. This is the 24-footer. And as you can see, it comes with the lifted suspension. I don't know if you can see that, but it is almost 2.5 feet off the ground. And the model is the 248 RBSW. I just picked this up yesterday. It's a pretty cool camper. Power retractable awning, and on the end of the awning are actually cool little outdoor speakers so you can enjoy the music outside. Like I said, it comes with the off-road tires and the lifted suspension. It's got diamond plates all the way around. I would say it's kind of like faux diamond plate. It's very thin, like 1/16 of an inch thick. It's a fully walkable roof with a ladder. Comes with a spare tire, which is nice. And something Jayco does is they have a tank flush valve. So on this, you put a city water hose to it and you open your gates, and it has a mechanism in there that spins around and cleans out your tank. Also has an outdoor shower. And in this cubby is an outdoor kitchen. I'm going to pause here and open it up. So once you get that open, you can then grab this and pull it out, and you have yourself an outdoor range and a sink. And this operates off the two 30-pound propane tanks in the front. So that's pretty awesome. I will actually use the shit out of that so you don't have your camper smelling like bacon, since I'm always making bacon when I'm camping. It's got the super high jacks, and this will be perfect for me because I like to camp off-grid. It is solar ready, so it comes pre-wired. All you have to do is hook up your solar panel with your charge controller, and it will keep your battery going. Came with two 30-pound propane tanks, and this model here is a single slide model. And here you have a storage that goes all the way through, and you'll see how it goes over there to the left. That is underneath the bed, so it has a tremendous amount of storage. Cool little LED light strip that my camera's not wanting to pick up. And let me pause and then we'll go inside. And it came with a queen size bed. It's a Sealy mattress, a little firm. It's gonna need a topper for my liking. And the cool thing about this bed is you just lift and you've got all that storage underneath, which is pretty rad. I really like that feature, and then it just drops back down. A lot of storage here. Got a little closet there. LED lighting all the way around, and that's real wood. That's not a fake wood like older campers. And I chose this model because it does not have the bunk beds. Actually, the LED lighting's kind of screwing with the camera. So it has an LCD TV, came with it with a digital antenna. I get like 40 channels, which is amazing. The slide out is just the dinette. And it's just me, pretty much, so this is perfect for me. I don't need bunk beds. But if I do take my nephews camping, or we have 4 people, this turns into like a little full bed, and the dinette also turns into a little full bed. Nice big sink, microwave, 3-burner stove with oven underneath, and a Nor-Cold fridge. I believe it's in 6 cubic foot with freezer, which is nice, and it actually does get cold enough that you can keep ice cream cold. What else do we got? 15,000 BTU air conditioner. Storage everywhere. It has a sound system built into it, as I mentioned earlier, that is wired into the speakers on the awning. And the other thing I like with this model that you don't get with the other ones is a pretty good sized bathroom. Oh, right here. There's a light switch in here. So a nice size shower. I don't know if you can get any context because it's such a small room. And it's got a little dome up there for taller folks for their head to poke out. I believe the toilet, the bottom part of that is porcelain, and just the top part is plastic, which is nice. Corner sink, maximize space, good storage underneath there. And this is one of my favorite features here is you open this bad boy up, and that is a closet complete with a curtain rod. You can get the majority of my clothes and towels and all your good stuff down there. So I'm very excited. This is a dramatic upgrade over my previous trailer, which was a 19-foot Mallard. This is very spacious and roomy. For me, this is the definition of glamping. And these things are actually pretty reasonable. They're not as expensive as you would think. I got this for $21,000. So, there you go. There's the tour. My new travel trailer.